Hi, in this video, so I'm going to show you how you can adjust the HDR on your Nintendo Switch 2, because right now this is way too bright. I can't really tell much difference between the background and these boxes here. They almost look the same color. Now you might think that you need to hold down the home button and go to brightness, but remember you're not in handheld mode, so that's not going to work. We actually need to adjust the HDR in this instance here, and there will be a brightness option on there. So we're going to go down to System Settings, and you're going to be pressing A. And we're going to be going down to display and pressing A or working your way across, and then go down to where it says adjust HDR and press A. So what you want to do here is you want to move up and down until you can see the one on the left, but you can't see the one on the right. So you can see two suns there, and it says adjust the display pattern until the left is visible and the pattern on the right is not visible. When you're done, select next. So you can see now they're both clearly visible. As I start making it brighter, the one on the left becomes less visible, and the one on the right should just disappear. So there we go. I can't see. I want to get it just right though. There, so I can see it there. 1, 2, there. So now I can see the one on the left just, but the one on the right I can't see now. And I'm going to go to next. But I'm not happy with that picture there. It says this is how the brightness will look with playing software. If you would like to adjust the brightness, you can do so by pressing Y. Well, we want to adjust it because again, it just looks, the whites are kind of all blending into each other. So I'm going to press Y and I'm going to turn the brightness down. Remember, it's going to vary on your room as well. And obviously your TV. So I think for my eyes there, that looks really, really nice. So I want to see what that looks like now. So I'm going to go to OK on the home page. Ah, that's so much better. Now I can see, I don't know if it's probably not coming across in the camera, but now I can see the difference between the boxes and the background. It's still white on white, but it's like white on grey. So that now looks so much nicer. Perfect. Well, there you go. That's how to adjust the HDR on your Nintendo Switch 2. Thanks for watching.